Today I'll be testing these ramps that I made for a mate from work. It's pretty much just to, service oil changes, whatever, engine swaps, anything else. He's got quite a heavy car, and from what we found, most ramps that you can buy look pretty flimsy, and their weight limit was pretty rubbish. So we've decided to overdo it and I guess ensure they're strong by just adding as much steel as possible within reason. They are in two parts. One of the main reasons for that is he wanted to, once he parks the car on the box part, he wanted to remove the ramp for additional access. And also it helps with weight, because each of these things is 20 kilos, those are about 18 each, so it's quite a lot of steel. And you'll also notice these casters here, and I'll demo that in a second. So the structural side of things, we've got these cross braces going opposite ways and also this way, so it can't sort of collapse on itself either way. And of course 6 vertical bits of box section on each one, and we've also even added diagonal sections at the bottom. So how it works is there's a channel here, and there is a corresponding channel on the ramp with a little locking edge. So we just drop it down, and also to make sure that they don't swing up like that, there is a little latch here that we'll just check that. For now I just put a bolt through. So the bottom bracket is to make sure that the bottom part doesn't come apart when you lift it. And the idea is that you can just move it like a wheelbarrow. So even though it's probably about close to 40 kilos, it's actually relatively easy to move. But then, to save space, you can sort of move them around, wheel it around, chuck it in the corner, and both of them don't take up too much space. So it seems to work pretty well. I'll check the second one on. Then check the bolt in. Cool. So now I'll wheel them out and test it out. Cool, so here we are. I think it works pretty well. Now just to gill tip them, bolted the wheels, and we're done.